All right, guys, this is gonna be a toolbox tour of my Harbor Freight 30-inch toolbox. On the side right here, I just have some PB Blaster and some other crap. It's not quite full yet, but this is just what I have. Some spares from work. I have a couple screwdrivers. These are from work. These are my SAE Snap-on 6 points. I believe they go up to an inch. Bought these for like 600 bucks. Don't even use them at work, so I just brought them. Harbor Freight sockets. These are actually pretty good for home. Can't say anything bad about them. They work good. Don't have a full complete set, but this is just what I got. Works. A couple lights over here. Some guy gave me this a long time ago. Doesn't work, but it's pretty good. Streamlight, first one I ever bought. Another one. This one's good, but battery doesn't last long on that one. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Streamlight, pocket flashlight. This one's actually really good if you charge it. Got some pry bars over here. Got another light, magnetic, Snap-on. Some magnetic bit holder. Right for you, baby. Alrighty, so first drawer. First drawer right here, I just have ratchets, some extras, Matco, old Mac, Snap-on I found in the parking lot. This is actually pretty good. There's shit. Another one. Extensions. Can't say anything bad about these Harbor Freight extensions. They're actually really, really good. For my wife's car. Next drawer. Working on it. Shitty pliers. These are just all my extras, like I said, from work. All my nice shit is at work. These are just cheap Harbor Freight ones. Some picks. Drivers. Fucking, the bits. Oh, over here. Over here I just have chingadera freaking wrenches. Snap-on. One. Missing another one. Whatever. And some Craftsman and Harbor Freight, whatever. This right here is my spark plug set, which I'm probably just gonna take them out and put them in here. Over here I got some pipe wrenches my dad gave me. Milwaukee 1/2 inch. Love this thing. Brought it home because I was abusing it at work. Little drill. Pretty good. First impact gun I ever bought as a mechanic, professional. Snap-on, 3/8. Thing's a beast. Smokes a little bit, but it's a beast. Just home stuff, leveler, whatever the fuck you call that, set finder. But yeah, that is the Harbor Freight tool. Oh shit! This motherfucker almost tried to kill me right now. Oh man. Sorry. Anyways, that is it. That's my Harbor Freight toolbox. Replacing the old trusty Husky. Till next time.